I am going to the 12th question. If a breeder has to evolve, it will take. Okay. If a breeder has to evolve, selection of parents, what he has to do? Selection of a parents, looking for subject in the history, hybridization, working out the yield. So if a breeder has to evolve a new variety, if a breeder has to evolve a new variety, there's a mistake there. If a breeder has to evolve a new variety, so he has to select the parents, or he has to study about the history of the plants, or he can do it only by hybridizing or working out the yield. First he has to work out the yield of the crop, and then only he can evolve a new variety. So by following which one of these four methods, a breeder will be able to produce a new variety? That is my question. By following which method a breeder, a plant breeder will be able to produce a new variety? Come on, answer the question. Looking for, he has to study the subject, history of the crop. So just by studying the history of the crop, he will be able to produce a new variety. Of course, he has to know something about the plant. He has to know something about the plant on which he is working. The basic knowledge about that plant is essential, but it's not all the most very essential. Okay, it's not all the most very essential. The plant breeder has to, if he has to produce a new variety, now he has to select the correct parent. He has to select the correct parent. That is the correct answer. See, he has to select the parent in such a way that he has got the good qualities in both the parents. Okay, then only he can produce a new variety. For example, I just go to this. Now, variety A is there and variety B is there. Now, in variety A, the fruits are smaller. Okay, but at the same time, they are tastier. Fruits are very tastier. Now, in variety B, the fruits are larger, but they are sour. Now, if you cross these two varieties, there is a possibility for you to get both these characters in one plant. The fruits will be larger, at the same time it will be tastier also. Now you may ask, sir, these two characters may also go together and it will reveal in the deterioration of the standard of the fruit. Of course, it will happen. I accept it will happen. But the farmer has to discard this. The farmer has to discard this and he has to select only this. So if only he knows the correct parents, he will be able to produce a new variety. What is it, a new variety? A fruit which is larger and tastier. Originally this variety was not there. Originally the fruit was there, large fruit was there, which was a sour. And the tastier fruit was there, but of course it is very small. So if you want to produce a new variety, you must choose the parents in such a way that you are able to bring both the good characters in one plant. Okay, you got the point now? So that answer is the correct answer. Selection of the parents is the correct answer. Then only you will be able to produce a good new variety. Okay, fine. Shall I pass on to the next question, my dear children? Shall I go to the next question?